Would you like to know what your customers are saying about the products that you sell? BERT Analytics can load data from sources such as Facebook or Twitter. For this showcase, we have been listening on Twitter to any tweet or retweet related to the following products: iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, and Samsung Galaxy. This information has been loaded into BERT Analytics with our own connector. The data is located in the social media database. Once loaded, we are able to respond to questions such as, can I better engage my audience and improve my business strategy based on what customers are really saying? BERT Analytics is capable of identifying all the tweets related to specific keywords and get further details for information such as, are those comments from influential people on the web? Are they talking in a positive, neutral, or negative way about the products that we sell? We'll conduct some social media analysis trying to identify what people are saying about mobile products on Twitter. For that purpose, we have been listening on Twitter to any comment that contains any of these 4 key words: BlackBerry, Android, iPhone, and Samsung Galaxy. These are 4 mobile products that our retail company sells under the hardware product category. Let's drag and drop the field keyword from the keywords table into the Explorer. These are the Twitter comments, tweets, and retweets that have been loaded into BERT Analytics. If we drag the interaction table into the Explorer, we'll see the detail of each comment, as well as the categorization in sentiment analysis and influence score of the person making that comment. We want to understand what people are saying on Twitter about these 4 products. Go to Analytics, Analysis, Crosstab, and create the following analysis that will describe the general sentiment of our products. For the dimensions, we will use the keyword field. For the measure, we will use a count of interactions. And for the pivot dimension, we will use the content sentiment category field in the interaction table. Next, go to the Chart tab and select the option Stacked Column. Go to the Advanced tab, Options, and select the option to Show the Legend. Since we wish to compare all the comments for the same product, we'll go to the Advanced tab and edit the measure to represent it as %row. Accept and recalculate the crosstab. Visually, we can identify that there are more negative comments for iPhone than for Samsung Galaxy. Now let's get the negative comments on iPhone and see the influence they have on the web. This field takes into consideration the influence of the person that made the comment on the web based on their activity, number of followers, and number of times the tweet was retweeted. There's a score between 0 and 100, with 100 meaning that the message is a highly influential one. In the chart, click on the negative iPhone tweets to create a segment on the scratch pad. Rename the segment Negative iPhone Tweets. Now open another crosstab and drag the field Influence Score Range from the interaction table and drop it into the Dimension section. This displays the distribution for all tweets. To filter for only negative comments, drag and drop the segment from the scratch pad. As we can see, most of the negative comments come from people who are classified as having very low or no influence in social media, so we don't really have to worry about them. It really is that easy to identify what your customers are saying about your products using BERT Analytics.